สวัสดีค่ะ Hi guys, welcome back to Tiger in the Kitchen channel. My name is Pam and today I am going to show you how to cook Thai red curry chicken with bamboo shoots or แกงไก่หน่อไม้ which is very easy to make and just simply delicious in this 4 minutes video. So watch to the end to see how we can cook this. And the list of the ingredients I already put in the description. These are kind of the main things we're using today. Of course, red curry paste, chicken, preserved bamboo shoots, red chilies and kaffir lime leaves, and I am using dried rice noodles today, so let's boil them first. We want to put quite a lot of water to boil them because they soak up the water quite a lot. And for the cooking time, cook accordingly to the package because different brand, different cooking time. During waiting for the rice noodles, let's prepare something else. Slice the red chilies basically for garnishing because the spice will be from the curry paste anyway. Cut chicken into small pieces. I'm using thighs for 500 grams. By now, the noodles should be ready. Once the noodles are ready, put in the strainer and rinse them with cold water to stop the cooking and overcooked. Now let's cook the curry. Put 100 grams of curry paste and the first 200 ml of coconut milk. Keep stirring until mixed well. Use medium heat. We are gonna break the curry paste with the spatula to help it become one texture easier. Once it's mixed well, put the chicken. It's gonna take a bit time, but keep stirring until the chicken is cooked. Now chicken is good. We put 400 ml of thin coconut milk, which is the combination between coconut milk mixed with water 1/3. Because if we don't make it light, our curry will be too thick and quite dry. For this menu, we want it a bit watery. Now mix them well. Then put the preserved bamboo shoots. Stir and let it sit for a while. Once we see it starts to boil, we are gonna season it with a half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon palm sugar or any type of sugar you have, but I recommend palm sugar because it smells nicer for this dish. Stir till let the sugar melts. Then add 1 tablespoon fish sauce. Stir again and let it boil. And now the last part. Gives the good fragrance by adding kaffir lime leaves, which I don't slice with a knife, just mash them and hand gripped, letting the essence comes out, and red chilies. And now we're good to go. This dish I love pouring on top of the rice noodles, but it's also pretty good with steamed rice, which I recommend to have it with Thai omelette as well. It goes together pretty good. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to let me know you like it, and see you again next recipe. สวัสดีค่ะ